Do you want to learn how I made this delicious zucchini bread? Stay tuned. Lightly grease 2 8x4-inch baking pans and set your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ tablespoon of ground allspice. Then you mix it all up. Get a second bowl for your wet ingredients. Put 4 teaspoons of imitation vanilla extract, 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 cup of melted plant-based butter, and 2 cups of brown sugar or alternative sweetener. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of chopped walnut. Add 2 cups of grated zucchini. Fold the zucchini and the walnuts into the mixture. Pour your batter into your greased pans and bake for 40 to 60 minutes. And we are done. Our beautiful zucchini bread. It was really simple to do and it tasted really good. Try this recipe at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.